Welcome to week 6. I just wanted to give everybody a heads up to start earlier than later because this is a pretty hefty week for homework. The discussions is going to be a continuation of the surgery coding. You make sure that you read this part right here. So reply to at least 3 of your peers. One of 3 replies must be a different case than your initial post. I'm seeing several still missing this step, so make sure that you are commenting on a scenario other than your own that includes a step-by-step of how you arrived at that same or different code than your peer. Then we're going to go down to, we have coding scenarios this week. This is just a continuation of what we've done. You will use CM. However, instead of evaluation and management codes this week, you're going to be coding surgery codes. And then the quality audit, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So what you're going to do in this scenario is you, on these codes, you're going to look and see what the scenario is. I would suggest coding it yourself first and then coming up to see what codes you would get. And then you're going to identify whether the coder assigned these correctly. I can tell you that none of the code assignments that this coder did are correct. So you'll need to justify the reasoning why these codes are not correct. And then just include either a guideline or the steps that you took to get to the right code. And then the last thing that's due is Jane Smith. This is her last visit for this term. Next week, you'll be submitting your final portfolio project. This week is a consultation note. Hint, hint, this is a consultation. So we will be basing this off the 3 different elements, the history, the review of systems, as well as the medical decision making. So this is an evaluation and management code for this week. So just make sure that you're looking in your evaluation codes and you're looking for the consultation, and then you're going to base it off of those 3 elements. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.